Well, the transition from summer to fall provides the perfect excuse to update your home. From your kitchen to any of the rooms, we have easy ways to enhance your living space.
Joining us with her tips is home improvement and lifestyle expert Kathryn Emery from Laguna Beach. Good to see you. Let's
Hi.
Hi. Let's start with a simple update to enhance the look and feel of your home.
Yes, so you put it perfectly, Glenn. So the easiest way to update your kitchen and bathroom is with cabinet hardware. It's an awesome project. It'll take you about an hour. Super simple to do, right, Lou? So, but the thing is, sometimes you might have a non-standard size, so you'll have to drill extra holes or do some patching. So this is Liberty Hardware's brand new cabinet line. It's called the Adjusta-Pull, literally play on words, right? So you'll just insert the 2 screws they give you, and then you slide it right on there, and you'll see you really can just update it doesn't matter what size, if you have standard size or a regular size, and it really does just give that kitchen, that bathroom, anything, just a really new, fresh look. Super easy project to do. See here, they're putting the screws in there, and then you slide it right on. So that's the Adjusta-Pull. Isn't that awesome? Anybody can do it. If I can, anybody can do it. So it's a great project.
All right, that's one of those things where somebody came up with an idea. They're now sitting on a beach.
Yep.
Right? Yeah, exactly.
Wow.
Pick me. I'm next, right? So,
For sure.
Talk about that, Glenn. So another product too. So what's painting? I always say painting is the easiest way to update the look and feel of any room. Think about we're zooming a lot more. What's the most daunting thing that you do is painter's tape. So Boxtown team came up with this item we're showing you here called the Cutting Edge. It's literally just a little paintbrush cover. You slide it over, and then it will do all the cutting and edging for you. So it takes it pretty much cuts your time in half. Isn't that amazing?
Glenn's like over here. He's like, another invention.
Okay, so if the same person has 2 of these, they actually own the beach now.
Right. They
pretty
own the
much,
island.
yeah, exactly. So you can find this Boxtown team at Lowe's. It's awesome. So another thing too, another great thing is lighting. We don't think about it, but it enhances the look of any room. And lamps are such an easy way. So I love this Lamps Plus. We all know Lamps Plus. They're just the leader in lighting. They're always there. They're great lights. This is the workstation lamp base. So the beautiful thing is they look good, but check it out. You can plug in your USB. You can plug something in. So we're all doing a lot more working from home. In fact, this lamp that lamp in that picture is going to my husband's office upstairs, which is our guest room after this segment's over. So it's also got a built-in dimmer. So literally you can plug any lamp onto this base, and then it turns the light into a functional USB extra port and a built-in dimmer. So, when you do want to chill after you've made your millions and you're sitting on the beach with the next thing we invent, right? And then last but not least, okay, what's in your toolbox? Lou, what's in your toolbox?
Oh, I have a good toolbox, actually.
Good.
Surprisingly.
Good. Well, it's me too, but when you fill your toolbox, you just want to make sure you have quality tools, right? And we're all guilty of purchasing a lot of things on Amazon. General Tools actually is a brand that's been around for 100 years. They just launched General Tools online store. So a couple of cool things they're showing you. This is the laser tape measure. So anytime you want to measure for furniture, blinds, whatever, you literally just push a button once, the laser will go out, and then that display will show up right there in the screen. So I ish it a lot, and then furniture doesn't fit. It fits. Now with this, I don't do that anymore, right? So just a good thing to have. And then they also have this. They have a screwdriver because I'm sure you both have a screwdriver, but you're always looking for that head that you need for that project.
Yep.
So here, there's 18 heads built right into the base there. So General Tools, just a great brand, but just make sure you've got great tools because we want to do all these projects and then we want to go join the millionaires on the beach when we're done, right?
That's right. Kathryn, it's probably a good idea, too, for people to learn to sort of let go of some of their pieces in their house, don't you think? It feels good to sell some stuff.
Absolutely. Well, I mean, we're standing in what was my office. There was a couch here and, yeah, lightening up. You don't need as much stuff. And then just creating spaces and little scenes where you can spend some time. Like, this lamp, for example, you can actually make any space a workstation. So set it up in your living room. But yeah, Lou, that's a great point. You really do just kind of make things simple this fall.
Yeah. Well, thanks for all the tips. You
Yeah.
need to invent something,
Thank you
Glenn.
for having me.
I'm looking at those handles for the cabinets. That's great.
Kathryn,
The
thank you
drawers.
so much. She had great tips. For more information, you can head over to Kathryn's tips. You can go to or check them out. You can check out her website, BeTheBestHome.com.
It's very rare that Glenn is impressed that much. So
He was like, another invention?
Those
Two
are pretty cool.
inventions?
No, I tell you what, the paint thing, I mean, have
That's
you
also a
painted
lot of-
with all the taping you have to do?
Oh yeah, I've done it once.
That's
One and
like,
done. Yeah.
that's the worst part.
It is.
It's horrible.
It really is. All right, outside we go. Still seeing low clouds and fog along the coast. The rest of us, well, what you're seeing outside is unfortunately smoke from the fires burning here in Southern California. Temperature outside yesterday downtown, we made it up to 83. We should be at 84 this time of year. We are seeing 82 degrees in Ontario right now, 77 in Fullerton, 74 in Long Beach, and it is still in the 60s in Santa Monica. Most of us are cooler now than this time yesterday. 8 degrees cooler in Van Nuys, 4 degrees cooler in Burbank. It is, however, a little bit warmer in Big Bear by 4 degrees. Thankfully, these winds are calm today. Once again, that Santa Ana wind event didn't really materialize, which is great news for firefighters, but we are just going to call these winds calm for the rest of the day. We don't have anything issued from the National Weather Service as far as elevated fire danger, but keep in mind that whenever we have humidity levels